Eating corn. Look who's eating corn right there.
Nagkamuritsin.
Yeah, enjoying eating corn. Enjoy eating corn. Cheese. Oh, is that cheese or butter? Butter. What you call this, lab? Old school? Old school grill? I want mine cook a little more.
Yeah, it should have been cooked a little bit longer. But it's still good.
Our grill is new, so this is our
Turn it and then
way of thanking the grill. We grilled the corn.
comes out goopy.
Thanksgiving for the grill.
You gotta turn it each time.
Yummy. Yum, yummy. Hi. Hi. Hi.
So good.
Yummy. One more?
Hmm?
One more?
What?
You sure? It's unlimited.
Yeah. Eat some.
Yeah, I wait mine to cook more.